So, where does it all go?
You know what? That's a very good question. Here, I can show you. Let's see here. We got there it is. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So you see this here?
Uh-huh.
It's a blueprint, right? The toilet here in this house, that's this toilet right here, connects to a pipe that runs underground, okay? And then that pipe connects to an even bigger pipe that runs along the whole street. And that toilet's got a pipe, and that toilet's got a pipe. All the toilets got pipes.
So all the houses on the street connect to one big pipe?
You got it, Beep.
And anything we flush away will end up down there?
Anything? No. Look, you can't just flush anything down the toilet, all right? The only things that should go down the toilet are this: water, waste, and toilet paper, okay? You hear me?
Water, waste, and toilet paper. Got it.
No baby wipes or cotton swabs or cotton balls or makeup thingies or doodads. Nothing. Otherwise, you could cause real big problems down there. See? See? This is what happens when you flush any old junk down there, I'm telling you.
Junk? Huh? Who are you calling junk?
Oh, she's our friend, and a good toy, too!
Your friend? There's a toy in the toilet?
Yeah, it's the captain! She got flushed down the toilet by accident!
And it's almost bathing time.
Oh, someone's just gotta save her!
She must be in that big pipe that Roger told us about.
Hey, Roger, that big pipe you mentioned, the one that connects all the houses on the street,
Yeah, what about it, Beep?
where does that go?
Oh, well, that one goes to an even bigger pipe that connects all the streets in the neighborhood to a real special place.
A special place?
That's right. That waste is taken to a place called a wastewater treatment facility.
Hey! Is it fixed yet? I'm bursting at the seams here!
Oh, no. Code Red, family of 4. This is not gonna be pretty.
It's gotta be ready by now, right?
Come on!
Hey, 1 second, I'm almost done in here.
Mom, I really have to go.
She's ready!
Hey, Storybots, I need you to help me out, okay? Just go over the toilet there and just flush it over and over and over for me, okay? Hey, this story gonna last forever.
Come on, team!
Yeah, come on, guys!
Oh, that burrito's not working out so good.
Whoa, how are we ever gonna reach that?
Hey, I got an idea!